Hello guys, it's Gamer here. Today for you guys, I'm going to be showing you how to make a Minecraft server. Basically, we're only going to need port forwarding and Minecraft and stuff like that because I know sometimes if you could try to, for some people, I'm not saying all, but some people, like me, when you try to download the Minecraft server EX, it doesn't work. So there's a jar underneath that we're going to be using. Okay, so let's get started. First of all, you want to open up a web browser, whatever you have. For this, I have Internet Explorer. You'll want to go to MineCraft.net. After you came to this page, you're supposed to see a home page of Minecraft. You could log in, whatever. You don't really have to, but whatever. Here on the bottom, underneath Buy Now, it says Download. You click that. After you click that, you would like to go scroll down, and it's going to say multiplayer beta server software. If it doesn't, what you want to download is Minecraft server.exe. As for me, it won't download because you could see find means that this doesn't exist for some reason anymore. So I'm just going to cancel that. And for my servers, I use Minecraft server jar. It's not as good as Minecraft EX, but it's still a good server. What you want to do is you want to click on that and you want to save that. Now it's going to ask you where do you want to save it. So let's just make a folder on our desktop, and we're going to name it MCS, and that's going to be standing for Minecraft server. And we're going to open that up and we're going to save that in there. It's going to load up. And basically what we need to do is we don't really need this anymore, but we could just put this down instead of opening Internet Explorer again because we're going to need that. So now what we need is we're going to be looking for the folder that we made, which is this one, the Minecraft server folder. You're going to open that up and you're only going to see this. It's going to say Minecraft server only. So you're going to double click on that. It's going to load up. And basically, you're supposed to have this screen that pops up. It's going to be telling you, like, it said not enough RAM, whatever, all these stuff. Now, don't worry about these four, because these four are stuff that you need. And as you could see, since you loaded this, it created its own server files. So, yeah. So, we're just going to wait until this loads up, this area percentage thing. So, just give it a second to load up. And since this is the new version of the 1.6.4, it's gonna what's its face? It's gonna load twice for different regions. So we're gonna let that load. But basically, if it's after it's all done loading, we're gonna go in the bottom bar here, and we're just gonna type in STOP for stop. This basically stops the server, and you guys probably want to do this instead of turning it off because this could cause conflict in servers, and it could cause some misplacement and stuff like that with blocks and stuff like that. So basically, you want to go here on the bottom and you want to click enter. You click stop, you enter stop, and you click enter, and that's supposed to that's gonna stop after it's done percenting. Okay, now we have all these files right here. And what we basically need mostly, or like most important, what we basically need is these two. Like basically we need everything. So let me go through this easily. World is basically the sessions and all those stuff, like about your world and stuff. Ban IPs basically means you could ban other IP codes from joining. Ban players, you ban players from joining. Minecraft server is the actual file the actual file you click on to make your server run. Ops, when you guys open up ops, you want to type in you're gonna want to type in your gamer tag thingamabobber that you use for Minecraft, and you're gonna just save that and turn it off. Server right here, if you open this up, this is just going to tell you about the server, what you guys did on the server, all those stuff, whatever. Right here, server, it says server, but sometimes you can say server properties normally. and this is what you guys have. You guys are gonna have all this list. So basically, let me lead through this. Level name is the name of your world, what you want to call it. Allow nether. You guys will probably want to put this on false, since I had difficulties on true, because if you put it on true, then there's going to be a lot of lag. So, you know, if I were you, I'll put it on false for now. Spawn monsters, if you don't want that, you could just type in false or true. I like to keep it true since it's more funner. Online mode, true, you want other people to join. Spawn animals, true, I guess, or false, whatever you guys want. Max players, you could type in your max player, how much people you want to join. On server IP here, do not type in anything, you guys. Don't type anything. Don't screw anything up. Just don't go there. Just don't type anything. As you guys, it's probably gonna say server port here, and for you guys, it's probably not gonna say anything. But for me, it says it since I already did the port forwarding and stuff like that. And basically, and allow flight. You can leave that on false. It's definitely not important at all. Whitelist is basically this list right here. The whitelist is a list where you type in the people's gamer tags and it lets them join your server. So yeah, let's just say, I don't know, blah 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 blah, blah wants to join our server. After we type that in, we're gonna click File, Save. We want to just File, Save, and then we're gonna just turn it off. And if you don't file save, then it's gonna give you this screen. So yeah. But let's go back to our server list. This is basically our server list. All the stuff we need, all the stuff that's important to us, and yeah. So you could just save that for now and turn it off. So basically, this is what we have so far. Now, you guys could, I guess, go back to the same thing, to the same folder. Go run the Minecraft server again. After you run the Minecraft server again, open up your Minecraft icon that's normally on your desktop, whatever you put it. Load it up. Go to multiplayer and type in localhost. And it's supposed to log you in. Now you guys are gonna see all this terrible lag and all this stuff, my barber. And yeah, all these bad lag and all this stuff. The way to turn this off is you just disconnect and stop this for now. And after you've done this, basically you have the server. You could log in, whatever. But you guys are probably asking, how do I get other people to join? Well, this is what I want to show you guys. What you do is you go back to Internet Explorer or whatever you guys have, Firefox, whatever. You guys want to type in. You guys first want to type in IP chicken right here, which I'm not gonna click because it's gonna show up your IP address, and I don't like for personal reasons I will not like to display my personal IP. But anyways, you guys are gonna type in IP chicken. Oops, I spelled that wrong. IPchicken.com. You're gonna click enter, and the first numbers you guys are gonna see. The first 4-digit numbers, you guys are gonna see like that big line. That's the number you're gonna give to other people. So now, what you guys want to do is you guys are gonna want to go to your start menu, go to your run button, and type in SMD and hit enter. After you type this in, you're gonna see this window that pops up. Right here, the first line, whatever, you guys want to type in ipconfig, which basically stands for IP configuration, and you click enter. After you hit enter, you guys are interested in Internet adapter local connection. It could have different wording, but you know, basically this is what you're mostly interested in. This number right here and this number right here. These two numbers. Now what you guys want to do is you want to go back to Internet Explorer, and you guys want to type in the default gateway number right here, default gateway on Internet adapter local connections. This number IP, you want to type in this one in your internet box. So type that in, and it's 192.168.1.1, and then we're gonna hit enter. And normally you're gonna have this screen pop up. Mostly on all, like not I can say all, but on a lot of computers, normally the username is admin and the password is password. But sometimes it could be admin or password admin or password. It's sometimes could be different. So you can, and it's basically default. But if you guys, okay, basically this is what's gonna be, right? But if you call your company and you change like the name or the password or whatever, it's going to be different. Anyways, you're gonna ask the company what's your IP and all like your password and your name. You could, after you type in that in, you can hit OK. After you hit OK, it's gonna give it a moment. It's supposed to load. It's gonna load up, and now since I have Netgear, it's gonna be Netgear Smart Wizard. You guys might have it could be different. It could be Netgear, Linksys, whatever. But basically everything's the same. So it's gonna load this. Just gonna say take up 90 seconds. Please wait. So just yeah. But anyway, so that's gonna load, and you guys want to find somewhere on your page for Netgear. It's gonna be on the left side in this purple rectangular space bar. It's gonna say port forwarding / port triggering. You guys are interested in port forwarding, and this is basically the same thing. You click on it. Now, as you guys can see, I already have a server IP, a port, and a server name. And I'm gonna delete that just for now. And we're gonna click Add Custom Service. If you have Netgear, of course, you're gonna type in, and for the server name, you're gonna type in anything that has to do with your Minecraft server, just for you to know it's the Minecraft server. For the service type, it could be TCP or UDP. You have to keep it both, or else nobody will be able to join. Starting point, Minecraft uses a certain port. It's 25565, and for the end port, you also want to type in 25565. Now, for your server IP, it's supposed to be the IPv4 address. For me, it's 192.168.1.2. And then on the server IP address, the last number, you're going to type in 2, or whatever the number you had for your IPv address. And you're going to click Apply. After you hit Apply, you're going to have your Minecraft server on your Netgear, or your Linksys, or whatever you guys are using. It's supposed to be on your modem or your router, and it's basically going to be saying, oh, we have a connection here, where do you want to send this connection, and the computer is going to say send it to 255.25565 to this IP address. Anyways, so we are done with this. I'm going to turn that off or whatever. And now, you guys, we're going to open up a Minecraft server again, or, you know, go to the file and open it up to that. Open up your icon of Minecraft, go to multiplayer, and instead of typing in localhost this time, you guys are going to type in the IP code that you got from IP Chicken. You guys are not going to type in the code that you guys had from this. You guys are not going to type in this code right here that you guys had, the server code, anything like this. No, you guys are not going to type that in. You guys are going to type in the code that you got from IP Chicken, which I'm going to show you guys right now. But basically, it says current IP address. This is supposed to be your current as you want to say, your current IP. So this is the IP you want to give to friends, whoever would like to join your game, and you're going to use this IP as well. So if you go back here to your multiplayer, you guys want to delete localhost and type in your IP Chicken address that you got from IP Chicken. So for this, mine is this code, and you click connect, and it's supposed to join. Now, you guys are wondering, this is not fun, this is all laggy, how do I get rid of this? And you guys probably watched the videos on YouTube how to get rid of it and stuff, but basically there's not like an exact point how to get rid of it, but there's different options. One option is you stay in the game, keep logging on and off. Sometimes it could work, sometimes it couldn't, and as you can see, this is connection end stream just because of lag and all those stuff. But basically, this is how to make a server, you guys. But if it gets really laggy for you, then what you guys probably want to do is, instead of all this, you guys are probably just want to wait until a new version of Minecraft comes up, and then work on it, because normally sometimes Minecraft versions could change the effect on servers. So yeah. Anyways, you guys, thank you for watching. I hope you guys understood what I said, because I was like mumbling and umbling a lot. But yeah, so thank you guys for watching. It's Party here with you, and subscribe and leave me a comment and rate. Yeah. So thank you guys, and goodbye.